I think this bed is too hard.
I think the bed is fine.
I feel uncomfortable.
I feel very comfortable.
I believe I need a softer pillow.
I believe you need less talking.
I think that was the bed.
I do not think so.
I believe the bed makes strange sounds.
I believe you make strange sounds.
I feel attacked.
I feel honest. I do not like your snoring.
I do not snore.
I think you snore like a motor.
I believe that is an exaggeration.
I feel the whole room is shaking.
I like sleeping.
I like sleeping too.
I think the weather is nice today.
I do not think so. I believe it is too cold.
I feel it is fresh and healthy.
I feel cold just looking at it.
I like this kind of weather. It makes me feel alive.
I do not like it at all. I like warm and sunny days.
I believe a short walk is a good idea.
I think staying inside is a better idea.
I feel we need fresh air.
I feel we need warm tea.
I like both. I think I will go for a walk.
I believe you will come back very quickly.
I think you are right. Do you see how beautiful the moon is?
Yes. Is there something you want to tell me?
Yes. My socks smell all the way to the moon.
Excuse me? That's romantic to you?
Romantic? What? That's not what I meant.
Then what did you mean?
That my socks smell terrible.
You're impossible! I want to go home!
Unintentionally.
You have a lot to learn.
Should I just not say anything?
Absolutely not!
All right. Then just love.
Oh.
Oh.